Class 10, Unit 8, Reading 1, Hobbies and Interest, and Reading 2, Climbing, Vocabulary Building Quiz. So today we are going to talk about different types of words that have been given in Unit 8 as a reading exercise. So now start from here. First word is here, igniting. The spark was igniting the fire. What is the similar meaning of igniting? So first option is starting, second one is extinguishing, third one is cooing, and fourth one is breaking. So answer is here starting. Now second word is here browsing. The she was browsing the internet for recipes. What is the similar meaning of browsing? The first option is here skipping, second one is here looking closely, third one is here memorizing, fourth one is here writing. Now guess which word we can uh, use here for browsing. So answer is here looking casually. Now third word is here hound. He is honing his drawing skills. What is the similar meaning of hound? The first option is forgetting, second one is improving, third one is ignoring, and fourth one is destroying. So here answer is improving. Now next word prevalent. Smartphones are prevalent in every household. What is the similar meaning of prevalent? The first option is here rare, second one is here hidden, third one is here widespread, a fourth one is here unique. So answer is here widespread. Now next word genre. Gen, genre. He enjoys different genres of music. So what does genre mean here? The first option is here categories, second one is here instruments, third one is here notes, and fourth one is here sounds. So answer is here categories. Now next word mobility. Mobility. The good mobility is improvement for athletes. What is the similar meaning of mobility? Here, strength, ability to move, silence, and stillness. So right answer is here ability to move. Now next word steam. The water turned into steam. What is the similar meaning of steam? The vapor, ice, liquid, and snow. So answer is here vapor. Now next word notch. He scored a notch higher than before. What does notch mean here? The level or degree, scratch, hole, cut. So right answer is here passionate. Passionate adjective. She is passionate about painting. What is the similar meaning of passionate? It means cold, lazy, enthusiastic, bored. So Passionate means here, answer is here, enthusiastic. Now, next word, appreciate. He really appreciate your help. What is the similar meaning of appreciate? The first option is ignore, second one is value, third one is here criticize, and fourth one is here reject. So here answer is value. Now next word refer, refurbishing. The refurbishing, they are refurbishing the old house. What is the similar meaning of refurbishing? First one, renovating. Second one, destroying. Third one, ignoring. Fourth one, painting. So right answer is here, renovating. Now, next word, expressive. Her art is very expressive. What is the similar meaning of expressive? The boring, communicative, silent, hidden. So right answer is here communicative. Now next word therapeutic. Therapeutic. Gardening can be very therapeutic. What is the similar meaning of therapeutic? So first one harmful, second healing, third dangerous, fourth painful. So right answer is here healing. Now next word murals. The school walls were decorated with murals. What does murals mean here? The large painting on walls, protesters, escu- escu- sculptures, pictures in books. So right answer is here large paintings on walls. So next word exposure. The exposure to sunlight is good for health. What is the similar meaning of exposure? Option is contact, hiding, isolation, ignorance. So right answer is here contact. Now next word niche. He found his niche in graphic design. What does niche mean? The specialized area, market, product, hobby. The specialized area. Now next word blog. She writes a travel blog. What is the similar meaning of blog? The online journal, newspaper, magazine, book. So here answer is online journal. Now next question wardrobe. Her wardrobe is full of color clothes. Answer is here. Option is here closet, jewelry, shoes and collection of clothes. So answer is here collection of clothes. Now next question hanging out. They are hanging out at the park. What is the similar meaning of hanging out? The working, spending the time casually, studying, sleeping. The spending time casually. Now next question stair. He ran up the stairs. What is the similar meaning of stair? The step, ladder, door, wall. The step. Its meaning is here step. Now next word spire. The church had a tall spire. What is the similar meaning of spire? The pointed top, roof, wall, floor. So here pointed top. Now next word here turret. Turret. The cassette had a small turret. What does turret mean? A small tower, door, wall, roof. So answer is here a small tower. Now next word bough. A bird rested on the bough. What does bough mean here? The leaf, a tree branch, root, trunk. Its meaning is tree branch. Now next word marvelous. The view from the mountain was marvelous. What is the similar meaning of marvelous? Ordinary, wonderful, terrible, small. Wonderful is the answer here. Next word pinnacles. The climbers reached the pinnacles of the mountain. What does pinnacles mean here? The valley, highest points, hills, rocks, and answer is here highest points. So that is for today.